Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to this tutorial. So for today I just wanted to do a really nice glowy makeup look and all the products I used are affordable products, and if I'm correct I think all of the products that I used are available at a drugstore bar one product. So if you want to see how we get this whole glowy makeup look, then please keep watching. So I'm going to use these glow drops from L'Oreal. They're called True Match Lumi Glow and More. This is in the shade Daybreak. So it just has that really nice shimmery, which I'm all for. So I'm just going to use that all over my skin first. I'm not going to use a whole lot, but I am going to use a bit. Just to give it, as you can see, just gives you that really nice dewy glow to the skin. And then I'm going in with my foundation. I'm using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm just putting it on with my finger first because I'm going to use the Beauty Blender just to press it in and melt it into the skin just to get that really nice flawless finish. So I'm just going to pat it in. This Beauty Blender is damp, by the way. Always use a damp Beauty Blender, otherwise your foundation will not blend. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the shade Ivory. I kind of went a little bit extra on the concealer, but whatever, that's okay. So I just do under my eyes and then down along my T-zone. And I'm just using the same Beauty Blender then just to press that into the skin. So it is a bit lighter, but that's okay because we're going to bronze too. So first off, I'm going to take the Rimmel Insta Contour Stick. This isn't as dark as I would usually like it, but it still does the job. So I'm just using that underneath my cheekbones, down around my jaw, and just on the sides of my forehead. Just to kind of oval out my face shape a little bit. And then I'm blending that in, and the brush I'm using to blend is a brush from Real Techniques. I don't know the number because it's worn off. So I'm just going and blending that all in. Oh, I contoured my nose too as well. And to set that, I'm taking the Annabelle Perfect Matte Translucent Powder. So I'm just using that to set under my eyes and down along my T-zone. And to bronze then, as you can see, I use this one a lot. It's from Annabelle as well, and it's called Sunkissed. So I'm using this over where I use the contour stick just to set it and add a little bit more extra bronze. So for my brows, I'm just going to do this really quick, but I will link my brow video below so you can check that out too. So I'm taking the top brow from Kiss. This is in the shade Taupe, which is a really, really good colour, by the way. It is taupey enough, there's no warmth on it. So I'm just going to use this to fill out my brows, which are extra hairy right now. So just ignore that fact. As you can see, I had to pluck midway through. And I just like to flick up the inner parts of my brow just to make it look a little bit more like hair. And then the pencil here that I'm using is a Maybelline pencil. Then I just like to comb the product through the brow as well. And just to tidy up underneath, I'm just taking some of the Maybelline Concealer and just going right underneath the brow just to sharpen it and tidy up any edges. Just because my brows are a little bit hairy right now, it kind of needs an extra bit of help. Now I'm taking this, it's from Annabelle Cosmetics. It's a cream eyeshadow base, and I'm going all over the lid with this first, and then I'm going to start to blend it out through the crease. So this is not available at a drugstore, but it is an affordable product and they have really great products. I don't see a lot of people using Annabelle, but I feel like more people should because they have really, really, really good products. But I'll link it below so you can check out their other products too. So I'm going underneath the eye with this as well, and then again, just blending it out. So now just add a little pop. I'm taking the Colour Tattoo Eye Chrome from Maybelline. This is in the shade Gilded Rose. So it's just a nice highlighted shade, and I'm going to go into the inner corner with this and then softly blend it out with a brush. And I'm also going to add some to the lid, more so in the inner part of the lid, and then again going in with the brush just to soften it out. Just so I feel like it adds that extra bit of glowiness. Now next up I'm going in with one of my favourite mascaras. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation. So I'm just going right in, giving my lashes a good coat of mascara. And then I'm going in with these Kiss lashes. These are called Beehive. These straight up not my favourite. I feel like the band is a little bit too light, that it's kind of hard to move it in and get it right into the lash line. I don't hate them, but I don't love them, because as I said, they're just a little bit hard to work with. I feel like I know a thick band can be too much, but this band is just a little bit too light. So I just wanted to go in with my mascara and just push my own lashes into them, just because they are a lighter lash. And now for my glow, I'm using Born to Glow from NYX. And as you can see, yes, pretty glowy. So I'm just using it along my cheekbones, the sides of my head, just kind of everywhere. Everywhere you want to glow. So to line my lips, I'm taking the Rimmel pencil in the shade Natural, or the number 49. I'm just going to line my lips with this. For my lips, I'm going in with the Maybelline Gigi Hadid Taura lipstick, which is such a good, perfect nude. And then on top of that, I'm using the NYX Cosmic Metals in the shade Metropolitan Night, just to press it on top, just to add that little bit of a sheen to the lips without it being too glossy. And then to finish it off, I'm taking my Master Chrome highlight from Maybelline, and I'm just going along my shoulders. This is what I do when I wear any type of off the shoulder top. So I'll do my shoulders, along my collarbone, like anywhere along the chest area. Just gives you that really nice, soft, glowy finish to the skin. So this is it for our glowing on a budget makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.